Hello, hi, good morning. So, yesterday we did few topics and today we'll continue with those topics itself. Yesterday, if you remember, I multiplied two matrices. Yes. So, today that concept I'll carry on, and one more concept I did, that was trace of any matrix, how to find the trace of any matrix. So, upon that, one question was there um, in J mains. That question I'll do today. Okay, so upon on the basis of the concepts what we did yesterday, so we'll do the questions today. Fine. Suppose I'm taking one matrix. Multiplication of two matrices you can write. This is the continuation of algebra of matrices only. Multiplication I am doing. Suppose A is any 3 cross 3 matrix I am taking. And for multiplication, if you remember, I told one order, like first matrix row column and second matrix row, number of that number should be same. I'll repeat my words. 103, 2 minus 1 6, 3 5 4. This is a matrix. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose if you are asked to find A square. A square means what? 103, 2 minus 1 6, 3 5 4. A square means A into A. So that matrix is getting multiplied by itself. 103, 2 minus 1 6, 3 5 and 4. These are the numbers. This is also 3 cross 3. This is also 3 cross 3. So this number and this number should be same. That means first matrix number of column and second matrix number of rows. They should be same. Alright. As I told you, we will always start with the first row of the first matrix. We have to start with the first row only every time. Then we'll multiply first column, then second column, then third column. Okay. So what I'm doing is, first row is getting multiplied with first column first. 1 ones are 1. Initially few lectures I am showing all the steps, but later on when you will be doing so much practice, then we can skip this step. Okay. So 0 into 2, second element, third element, 3 into 3. So now first row will be multiplied with second column. So 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 3 into 5. This will be the second element we'll get here. Okay, now third element, how we'll get? First row, third column. So 1 into 3 plus 0 into 6 plus 3 into 4. Similarly, now second row, we will deal with all the elements of second row. Second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 2, 6 into 3. So 2 into 0, plus -1 into -1 plus 6 into 6. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, 6 fives. This will be 5, not 6. All right. And then second row with the third column. So 2 into 3, -1 into 6, plus 6 into 4. Now we will deal with all the elements which are there in third row. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So third row, first column element, 5 into 2, 4 into 3. Similarly here, 3 into 0 minus, actually it will be plus of -1, so I'll write it in that way only, plus minus 5 into -1 and 4 into 5. Now third row, third column, 3 into 3 plus 5 into 6 plus 4 into 4. All right. So instead of using a new page, I'm going to do it on the left side or right side only, because again and again we have to see for the calculation. So I'm doing it here, this side I'm doing. 1 ones are 1, this will become 0 and this will become 9. So first element, again you can skip this step when you will be pro in it. Like when you'll be doing so much practice now, then you guys can skip the step, no issues. But again, of course, it depends upon in which exam you are writing. Suppose you are writing for CBSE, then of course you have to do this step. No? But for JEE Mains, of course you can skip. This will become 0, this will become 0, 3 5s are 15. 3, 0 and 12. So I'm writing 3 plus 12. This will become 2 minus 2 and 18. 2 minus 2 and 18. This will become 0. This will become plus 1. This will become 30. So 0 plus 1 plus 30. Next element, 2 3s are 6. This will become minus 6. This will become 6 4s are 24. So plus 24 I'll write here. Now 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10, 3 plus 10 and 4 3s are 12. Here it will become 0, it will become minus 5 and this will become 5 4s are 20. This will become 3 3s are 9, 6 5s are 30. So 9 plus 30, 4 4s are 16. Okay, and either you can write it nearby also. So we'll now simplify and we'll get the required result. 9 plus 1, 10, 15 as it is. 12 plus 3, 15. 2 minus 2 cancel, only 18 will be left. 1 plus 30 is 31. 6 minus 6 cancel, only 24 is left. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. 20 minus 5 is 15. This will become 39. 55. Okay. So this is my a square, which I have got as when I multiplied the same matrix with itself only, or the given matrix with itself only. Just have a look once. Any doubt? Instead of using a new page, I just wrote it on the left side. All right. Now we'll proceed to the next question. Next question I will be doing on the basis of this only, but one question I am taking now. Let f of x, one question I am taking, let f of x equals to, this is your material question, x square minus 5x plus 6. One function is given, then we have to find the value of f of a. Then find the value of f of a, where a is a matrix 201, 213, 1 minus 1 0. If this is already given, f of a okay, f of x is already given to us. Now what does it mean? Wherever x is there, I have to put the matrix A there. This means this only, no? So I'll put, when f of x is, this is solution I'm writing now. F of x is given to us as x square minus 5x plus 6. So f of a is nothing but, or can I write this as x raised to power 0, because x raised to power 0 is nothing but 1 only. All right. So f of a is nothing but, wherever x is there, now I'll put a, minus 5 of a plus 6 into a raised to power 0. And any matrix raised to power 0 means identity matrix, because any number raised to power 0 means 1. So any matrix raised to power 0 means identity matrix. So a square we can find. This is a scalar multiplication with a matrix, or any matrix is getting multiplied by a scalar, and this is nothing but identity matrix. So this matrix is 3 cross 3. So identity matrix a raised to power 0 is nothing but identity matrix, and 3 cross 3 identity matrix is, all the diagonal elements will be 1, remaining elements will be 0. So depending upon the question, we will take the identity matrix only. Okay. So now just previously we have done a square. So with that same method, I'll find a square. A square can be written as a into a. A is what? 201. You do it side by side. Try whether your answer is getting matched with me or not. The more we practice, the more we will get our errors. If you will not practice only, you will not getting error only, you will not be getting the correct answer also, no? So practice as much as you can. Maximum what will happen? You will not know the answers only, no? That's okay. But if you will practice, if you want to learn something, you have to practice. Sometimes answer will not come in the beginning only, but later on when you will practice and practice and practice, no, of course in the end you will be succeeding. Okay, that means you will be getting the answers. That's okay. In the beginning we can do mistakes, no issues. Everyone in the beginning though mistakes are allowed, but not of course later on, not every time. Okay, so now 3 cross 3 matrix we have to find. Now multiply this matrix with itself only. First row, as I said, first row we have to deal with the first column, second column, third column. So first row, first column, 2 2s are 4, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. This will be the first element. Every element is getting multiplied with all the elements of the first column. Similarly, now first row will be multiplying with second column, 2 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1. Similarly, first row, third column, 2 into 1, 0 into 3, 1 into 0. Next, as I said, now we will deal with the second row. The second row will be multiplied with first column, second column, third column. So 2, 2, 1, 2s are, 3, 1s are. Similarly, second row, second column we will deal now. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Similarly, second row, third column, second row, third column, 1 into 3, 3 into 0. Now we will deal with all the third row. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Here plus minus will come out to be minus 1. So that's how, that step I have written directly. So 1, 0 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Now third row, third column, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Alright, now we will simplify this. On the left side I am simplifying. So what it will become? 2 to the 4, this will become 0, this will become 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Now I can write directly. 2 0 0 0 1 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 ones are 2, other things will become 0. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. 0 plus 1 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So 1 minus 3 will come out to be minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. This will become 2, this will become 2. 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, plus 0. So again here it is coming out to be 0. This will become 0, this will become 0, this will become minus 1. This is 1, this is minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. This is my desired matrix A square. Just see the steps still here. All of you, those who were trying, I hope you also have got the same matrix. Just check it quickly. All right. Now this, anyhow the space is not there, so I have to use the next slide now. Now what he is asking, the next step is 5 into A. 5 into A means what? This matrix is getting multiplied with 5 only. So A matrix is nothing but whatever. So 5 into A. A matrix is which matrix? 2 0 1 2 1 3, 2 0 1 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the matrix. So again this concept I have told you prior only in like last class or last to last class. So what it will become, this 5, this scalar will be multiplied with all the elements. 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 1 minus 5, 5 zeros are 0. Okay, and next element was 6 into identity. Identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This was the matrix. So this 6 will be multiplied with all the elements. 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Now in the first step in the question, these things, we have A square also, we have 5A also, we have 6 into identity also. Okay, so now what we'll do now, whatever the operation, he's asking for the minus sign here, he's asking for the plus sign here, so we'll do that, no issues. So A square is 5 minus 1 2, A square is 5 minus 1 2, I'll not write this A square here, A square minus 5A plus 6 into identity. Now I am writing all the matrices here. 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 2, minus of 5A matrix is nothing but 10 0 5, 10 5 15, 5 minus 5 0, plus 6 into identity is nothing but this matrix 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. All right, now we have already done algebra of matrices, where we have already done subtraction of the matrices, we have already done the addition of two matrices. Okay, so what we have to do is two things we have to keep in mind, that is first order should be same, and second, see while doing the questions also I am revising the concept and I am repeating the concepts so that it should retain in your minds. So what we have to do is first we have to see that whether the order is same or not. Of course order is same here, 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3. And second thing what we have to do is we have to subtract or add the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements, what it will become? 5 minus 10 plus 6. The operation we cannot change, of course, whatever they are asking we have to follow that. Now minus 1 0 and 0. Now 2 minus 5 plus 0. Of course you can skip this step, okay, but for the beginners I am doing this. 9 minus 10 plus 0, no need to write plus 0 and minus zeros, but still I am writing because of you people only. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, 5 minus 15 plus 0, 0 minus 5 plus 0, minus 1. Now see here, minus will become plus here and this will become plus 0 as it is. Now minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. We'll simplify this now. Answer, the last step this is now. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 10 is, no, 11 minus 10, no? So it will become plus 1 only. This will become minus 1. This will become minus 3. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 2 is again 4. So this is my answer. Just see this question quickly. I hope those who are trying side by side, they have got the answer. Speed, you will get the speed when you will be doing so many questions, no? You will also get the speed. See, I have to teach you slowly because you people are, few are beginners here. So they need little more time than you people, no? Otherwise, I can do it very quickly. So depending upon the question, if he is asking for a cube means what? A into A, or you can write A square into A, or first you have to find A square, then you have to multiply the same matrix with the, what I'm saying is, A cube you can find with this. Similarly, A4 you can find with A cube into A. Okay, so anyhow you guys can do. That means you can find up to so on to nth power. Shall I move to the next question? The next question is very interesting one. The question is, if A matrix is given cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta, this is given as sin theta and cos theta, where theta is pi by 12. Pi by 12 means what? Pi means 180. 180 divided by 12 is nothing but 50. Yes, 15 only. Okay. And what he is asking now, we have to find the value of a raised to power 24. That means we have to find till a23 into a. That is not possible, man. So what we have to do is, for 2 or 3 power we can do. I'll tell you what I'm saying. Find this. So now what I am going to do is, A matrix is already given to us, cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. So what I am going to do is, I am going to find A square. A square is nothing but A into A. First always start with the A square only, because after A you will find A square only. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Try to do this multiplication side by side. I don't want anyone to sit idle and looking at the board only. Everyone start like yourself as well, because the more you will practice yourself. See, one thing is how much we listen, but if we will practice side by side with our hands, no, we will retain more. and for the longer period also. So now first row we will multiply with the first column. Cos into cos, cos square, minus sine into sine will become minus sine square theta. So this is my first term. Now first row will be multiplied with second column. What it will become? Minus sine theta into cos theta plus of minus sine theta into cos theta. Similarly, now we will multiply all the second row elements with the first column and with the second column. So it will become what? Sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sine theta. Similarly, sine into minus sine, cos into cos theta. First step, I tried to write it directly, but again I thought okay, fine, we should not find any confusion or difficulty, so that's why I am writing this. In the beginning I'm writing, then later on I'll not write every time. So what it is coming now? Cos square minus sine square theta. We must have done in the trigonometry, so many formulas were there. So cos square theta minus sine square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. This is a formula. Okay. Now this is become minus sine theta cos theta. This will also become minus sine theta cos theta. So minus sine minus this will become minus 2 sine theta into cos theta. Again, sine theta cos theta, sine theta cos theta. When you will add, it will become twice of sine theta cos theta. Yes, someone have started getting the answer now, that which formula it is becoming. Minus, and this will become plus. Again, cos square theta minus sine square theta. So simplify this now. Cos theta, this will become minus sine 2 theta. This will become sine 2 theta. This is my a square. This will become cos 2 theta. Now see the matrix A. I hope I am clear till here. I hope so. Now see, when power is 1, theta is also 1. Here is also 1 into theta. Here is also 1 into theta. Here is also 1 into theta, like 1 theta. Though 1 we don't write, but this means this only 1 theta. Alright. Now whenever see this power is 2. Here was 1 theta. Now here become what? 2 theta, 2 theta, 2 theta and 2 theta. Whatever the power was there, that is now getting multiplied with the theta only. And when you will do a cube, you will find answer is coming out to be cos 3 theta minus sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So up to so on, if we will do A24 with this pattern only, I'll get cos 24 theta minus sine 24 theta, sine 24 theta, because whatever the power is there, that is getting multiplied with the theta only, and this will become cos 24 theta. But we don't know the value of 24 theta, but we can find how, that I'll tell you. Because theta they have given us pi by 12. First note till this much, then I'll proceed to the next page quickly. All right. Now I am getting the answer as a raised to power 24. A raised to power 24 was cos 24 theta. Theta value is nothing but pi by 12 minus sine 24 into pi by 12. Sine into 24 pi by 12, and this will become cos 24 pi by 12. So this is nothing but I am getting cos 12 twos are. So cos 2 pi minus sine 2 pi, sine 2 pi, cos 2 pi. And these values we know it directly. Cos 2 pi is 1. This is sine at every interval of pi, it is 0, sine 0, and this will also become 1. So this is nothing but identity matrix only coming. 1 0 0 1. So anyhow it is coming out to be identity matrix. Just see it quickly and then we'll proceed to the next question. And the next question which I'm going to do it now, that is important question. No, that important question I'll do. That is J mains question only, that I'll do next to next, not now right now. Because before that I am just, I'll do one more question, then I'll do the next, that important question which I'm saying. Quickly. This also. Then I am proceeding to the next question now. Next question. Question is A plus 2B. Let A plus 2B. Now two matrices we have to find. We have to find the matrix A also. We have to find the matrix B also. 1 2 3. You must have done in your 10th class or any other elimination method, substitution method, linear equation in two variables. We have already done, no? So now this is nothing but in two matrices only. Okay, we'll with the same elimination method only we'll do. Elimination or substitution, anything you guys can follow. But of course, elimination, I find it easy. 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 3, 1. And second matrix they have given us as 2a minus b, 2a minus b is nothing but 2 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 2, and this is nothing but 0 1 2. We have to find trace of A plus trace of B minus of 1. This value we have to find. This is minus sign. This is plus sign. So now this is the objective question in your material. So we'll do it now. Can anyone give me the idea how to do it? As I gave you the idea or the hint I gave you, this is in two matrices, this is also in two matrices. So as we have already done elimination method or substitution method, I'll do it with the elimination method only. I'll do. And this must maybe you guys know this, that whatever the having minus sign or the opposite signs, I would say, opposite signs, we'll try to change those matrix. So now first matrix I'm keeping as it is, because this is 1, this is 2. So this full matrix is getting multiplied with 1. This full matrix I'll multiply with 2. Why I am multiplying this with 2? Because this will also become 2b. Here it is also 2b. Okay. So this is directly a plus 2b as it is. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3, 6. Minus 3, 5. Sorry, minus 5, 3, 1. And this will become 2 2s are 4. This 2 will be multiplied with both the matrix. So 4a minus 2b, this 2 will be multiplied with all the elements here now. 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 4. 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Alright, now what will be the next step? This is plus 2 and this is minus 2. If I am going to add these two matrices anyhow, I'll get the null matrix. This is nothing but null matrix, like 0 into b. So 5, this will become 1 plus 4 is 5. This will become 5 of a. 5 of a, and we have to add the corresponding elements. 1 plus 4, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 4, 10, minus 5, 6 plus 4, 10. This will become minus 5, this will become 5, and this is becoming 5. All right. Now this 5 is multiplied here on the right side, it will become divide. So A matrix is nothing but 1 by 5 of all the numbers, 5, 0, 3, 10. So minus 5, 10, minus 5, 5, and 5. Now this 5 will be divided with all the numbers. So what it will come? 5. When I'll divide 5 and 5, it will become 1, 0, and this will become 3 by 5. This will become 2, minus 1. This will become 2, minus 1, 1, and 1. This is minus 1. All right. Now trace of A. Trace of A is nothing but what? We have to add all the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements, if I'll add 1 minus 1 plus 1. So anyhow, it is coming out to be 1. Note it till here quickly. Similarly, we'll find the value of B and we'll find the value of trace of B. Do it quickly. Next, what is given to us? A plus 2B. A plus 2B is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3, 6. And minus 5, 3, 1. This is already given to us, yes or no? A plus 2B, 1, 2, 3, 6 minus 3, 6, minus 5, 3, 1. Yes. Where A have come out to be this matrix. 1, 0, 3 by 5, 2 minus 1, 2. 0, no, sorry, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 6 minus 3, 6, minus 5, 3, 1. This full matrix is plus here on the right side, it will become minus. So twice of B, 1, 2, 3, 6 minus 3, 6, minus 5, 3, 1, minus of this full matrix A, 0, 3 by 5, 2 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 1. So this is nothing but twice of B. So this implies B is nothing but half of this full matrix. 1 minus 1, it will become 0. 2 minus 0, it will become 2. 3 minus 3 by 5, 15 minus 3, 12 by 5. 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 3, minus of minus will become plus 1. So it will become minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus minus will become again plus 1. So minus 4 it will come. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Alright. Now B matrix. Divide this 2 with all the elements. So 0, 1, 12 by 10. 2 minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 0 as it is. Now we have to find the trace of B here. Trace of B is nothing but diagonally all the elements we have to add. So diagonal element is only minus 1 here. So trace of B is minus 1. Now which value we have to find? We were asked to find trace of A minus trace of B plus of 1. Okay, trace of A, I think we got the answer as 1 here. This is minus of minus 1, this is plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is, answer is 3. This is my answer. So it is matching with the C option. C option. It's a material question only, your DPP question. So it is matching with the C option. I hope it is clear to everyone. So what we have done in this question, as we have already done in our 10th classes or in previous classes, we already know the concept that whenever these kind of equations are given, linear equation in two variables, but here it is two matrices we were talking about. So what we did, yes, we made the coefficient equal. So this coefficient, and how it came out to be equal? When I multiplied this full equation with the 2, this element. If it would have been 3, you multiply it with 3. So after this, I'm going to write one question and that you have to solve it yourself. On the same basis, or if this concept is clear, then I'll move to the next question, no issues. One more question where multiplication and everything is being used. Again, this is your DPP question only. One important question I wanted to do today, but I am not doing today because of the lack of time, I would say. So I am doing one more question, that is that important question I'll do tomorrow. That JEE Mains question it is, that I'll do tomorrow. One more question I'm taking. Now, if one matrix is given to you as 1x1, next matrix is 1 2 3 0 5 1 0 3 2 into one more matrix is given to you as x1 minus 2. x1 minus 2. This is already given to us as 0 and we have to find the value of 0. Means what? It is a null matrix. Okay, depending. Now see what it does mean. It is having 1 row, 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 1 column. So this number and this number should be same, this number and this number should be same. So yes, anyhow it is coming out to be. Now we have to find the value of x here. So what we'll do, we'll multiply this matrix with this matrix. How we'll get now? First row, only one row is there. First row will be multiplied with all the first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into x is 0. Plus 1 into 0. Similarly, first row will be multiplied with second column now. What it will become? 1 into 2, x into 5, plus 1 into 3. Now, similarly, first row will be multiplied with the third column, 1 into 3, x into 1, 1 into minus 2. Sorry, no, 1 into 2 only, not minus 2. Yes. Now the other matrix is same only. x1 minus 2 equals to 0. Whatever the steps they are asking, we'll proceed step by step only. They asked us to multiply these two matrices, so I'm multiplying these two. No rocket science is there, no. So 1 into 1 is 1. This, anyhow, it will become 0. 2 ones are 2. 5 into x, 5x plus 3. This will become 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus x. Even I'm changing this also. 3 plus 2, it will become 5. Why to unnecessarily go for the longer steps or for the more steps? Alright, and this I have to multiply with x minus 1 and x1 and minus 2. It is 0. Now again this first row will be multiplied with first column only. So what it will become? X 1 into x as it is, plus 1 into 5 plus 5x. 5 plus x will be multiplied with minus 2, or you can write this one here. Anyhow, it means same only. This is nothing but equals to 0. Now this is not a 0 matrix. Now this is 0 only. Okay. Because only singleton, actually it is a singleton matrix now. So now what it is coming? X, 1 will be multiplied 5 plus 5x. This will be multiplied 5 2s are minus 10. It will become minus 2x equals to 0. Simplify this now. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. This will become minus 5. On the right side, it will become 5. X value is coming out to be 5 by 4. So this is again matching the C option. It is a question in your DPPs, in your material. So this answer is matching with the C option. Just see it quickly and then we'll wind up the class today. And tomorrow again I'll do few questions which were there in JEE mains also. Last year or last to last year, I would say. So those questions we'll do tomorrow. And that question is based on trace of a matrix. So that question we'll do. And that question is interesting also. So little lengthy, little, but I'll try to do it in the few steps only. Because anyhow, that time you don't have this much time for the calculation. Okay, and one more thing, when you will do more and more of practice, it will be easy for you to get a good rank. Why? Because see, if you have not practiced and you are doing that kind of question for the first time, okay, it will take more time, no? Suppose this multiplication, when we started this multiplication, we were taking more time. But now when you have done 4-5 questions, now you are taking little less time. So that is nothing but practice only. Okay. So if you will practice and practice and practice, it will take lesser and lesser and lesser time to solve that question. So practice as much as because there is no shortcut. All right. So I hope today's session is clear to everyone, those who were listening very carefully. And if you have not understood any step or somewhat, then you can again see that step. All right. Bye guys. Thank you so much.